Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be setting up the Y60 earbuds over Bluetooth to a mobile device. The Y60 earbuds are now available for sale in our stores. They are very beautiful and neat, and they come on this nice box here that it's also used for charging as well as transporting. So in the package, if you purchase one of these, you'll get the case for charging, you'll get the earbuds, you'll get an instruction manual as well as a charging cable. Before we continue, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. Let's go ahead and connect this to a mobile device. So before we connect to a mobile device, it is recommended that you fully charge your earbuds before first use. And for now, I will demo how you will be charging. So there is a charging port here at the back. You connect the micro USB cable onto it. I'm going to use a power bank for this demo. And here with the power bank, you just connect it. It will light up red. As you can see here, it's blinking red. And when it's fully charged, it will turn green. So I'm going to disconnect it now. And you can see here, it has turned green, because I have fully charged it before first use. And having a look at the case here, it's a nice beautiful case, as you can see, all around. And whilst opening it, you get the earbuds right over here, which are very nice and beautiful. To get the earbuds safely out of the case, you just place your finger here on the left hand side, pull it up, and it comes out. So this is the left one, and let's do the same with the right one. There is a magnet to keep them in place, so every time you put your earbuds in, it sticks to it and it will start charging immediately. So they look pretty nice, as you can see, and they have pretty good quality as well. So let's go ahead and pair it with a mobile device. I'm going to pair it with an iPhone, and to turn on your earbuds, you press on the power button for 2 seconds and it will power on. And to pair it with a mobile device, you just press on the button here 5 seconds and it will start flashing red and blue. So this means that it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead here and pair it with this iPhone. So on the iPhone, I am going to turn on Bluetooth, which is right over here. And I'm going to scroll down to find the Bluetooth devices. So it has found here the Y60 device here. So this is the earbuds. So it is now connected, as you can see there, and pretty fast. So if I open here YouTube, for example, to play a video, let's go ahead and search for one of my videos. Okay, so I open up a video here and it's now playing through the earbuds, which is great to see. Very easy to operate as well. So you've got here indicator for the right ear as well as the left ear, and it fits pretty nicely on your ear as well. There is a microphone as well on these, so you can speak through it, and it's very easy to operate, as I mentioned. So to turn on, as I mentioned, you press for about 2 seconds, it turns on, press for about 5 seconds, so it's in pairing mode, and it will pair to whichever device is enabled for Bluetooth that you want to pair to. If you are listening to music, you have the option to put the volume up and down through the earbuds. The left earbud turns the volume up, the right earbud turns the volume down. You can also, by pressing for 2 seconds, you can play the next song with the left earbud. And if you want to rewind, you press for 2 seconds with the right earbud. To answer calls, same thing as well. So if a call comes through, you can either press the right or the left earbud to answer, and to disconnect, same thing. Press the right or the earbud for you to disconnect the call. So the quality is pretty nice. It's got nice bass, and it fits pretty nice in the on the ear. Oh, the quality is actually excellent. I've got one now on my left ear and it's perfect. So it's got nice bass to it, so I can hear from the music in the background, and it is awesome. So that's pretty nice. It's all working well. So another cool feature that we have with these earbuds is the case. So the case itself has a built-in battery. So if you run out of battery on these ones and you need to recharge them, just simply open the case, even if it's not connected to a USB charger through the USB cable. As you can see here, there are no lights, it's turned off, and as soon as I put the earbuds in, they will start charging as you can see, and there you go. So both of them are currently charging. You can see the red lights there, so that means that it's charging, and you can also see here that the green light is on, so it is charging even without connecting to a mains switch or to a computer or to a power source. And it will charge up for you. When you get home, you just need to connect it to a charger and it will charge up. So these are now available for sale in our stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in one of these. And if you have any questions, please do put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next video.